In this video, I want to share with you about the Higgs boson and the cosmic fluid, the invisible substance behind everything. Today, I want to build a bridge between science and spirituality, between the microcosm and the infinite, and perhaps reveal that they might be speaking about the same thing. In modern physics, one of the biggest breakthroughs of the 21st century was the discovery of the Higgs boson. According to the standard model of the particle physics, everything in the universe exists within invisible energy fields. The Higgs field is one of them, and it is everywhere. When a particle moves through this field, it interacts with it. The stronger the interaction, the greater the particle's mass. The Higgs boson, discovered in 2012, is the experimental proof that this field is real. Without the Higgs field, there would be no atoms, no planets, no physical forms, not this tree, not me, not you. Just waves of light floating in a void, as if something invisible is constantly giving weight, shape, and structure to reality. Let's move into spirituality now. In Spiritism, especially in the works of Allan Kardec, there is a concept called the cosmic universal fluid. It is described as the primordial substance of all creation, present everywhere. It is capable of transforming it into light, sound, spirit, dense matter, depending on the vibration. But here is the beautiful part. This concept is not exclusive to Spiritism. I have to show how beautiful. This is it. Across cultures and traditions, this same principle appears under different names. In Hinduism, it's called Akasha, the primordial ether, the subtle fabric and memory of all existence. In Taoism, it's the Tao, the nameless source of all that is. In yoga and Eastern medicine, it's known as prana, the vital life force that flows through all living beings. In Japanese Reiki, it's called Ki, and Chi in Chinese traditions. In many indigenous South American traditions, it's the Great Spirit, the soul of the world, or the sacred breath of life. In Western esotericism, it may be referred as the astral substance, ether, or quintessence. Even in the Bible, there are hints, like the spirit hovering over the waters, or the divine breath of life, which some interpret as the same creative force. It's as if behind every name, there is one single living presence at the heart of all universe. Let's compare their side by side. The Higgs field is invisible and fills the universe. So does the cosmic fluid. The Higgs boson gives mass to particles. The cosmic fluid gives life, form, energy, and purpose to all things. The Higgs field answers to the physical laws. The cosmic fluid to vibration, thought, and moral intention. Science explains the how of the universe. Spirituality explains the why. Together, they reveal a deeper truth. Everything we see was born from what we cannot see. So what happens when you bring these two worlds together? You begin to see that matter, energy, thoughts, feelings, vibrations, they are all connected through a sacred fabric, invisible to the eyes but very real to the awakened heart. The Higgs boson shows that the physical structure depends on something immaterial, the physical laws. The cosmic fluid reminds us that all creation is sustained by a divine consciousness. Maybe what science calls a field is what ancient sages call spirit. And what physics now is discovering is the mystics have always known. You don't have to believe me. Feel if you resonate with those thoughts. Here is the ultimate truth for me. Everything vibrates, everything feels, everything is interconnected. And you, yes, you are a part of this living, intelligent energy. The universe is not outside you, it flows through you. If this message touched you, please share it. There are many people out there searching for this reconnection between the world outside, the world within, and the invisible energy that binds them both.